Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. Check my previous video for a simple and multiple bar diagram. This video is about subdivided or component bar diagram. These diagrams are used to represent the various parts of a whole. The total magnitude of the given variable is to be divided into its different component parts. Segments in a divided bar represents a set of quantities according to the different proportion of the total amount. Subdivided bar diagram enables the comparison between different components. Suppose you have a data with the expenditures of two families. What you have to do is you have to take the total for the family expenditure, and for the total you have to draw a vertical bar diagram. In that you have to divide the things like rent, food, electricity from the bar diagram, or we can compare that which family the rent amount is high, which family spend more for food, etc. Like that we can compare the data. Let me explain subdivided bar diagram with a simple example. The day-wise ice cream sales of different companies are given below. We have to draw a subdivided bar diagram. The data is about the day-wise ice cream sales for three different companies: Ibaco, Arun Ice Cream and Mother Dairy. Their day-wise sales is given. We have to draw a subdivided bar diagram for this. For subdivided bar diagram, we need the total sales for each company. For Ibaco company, the total sales is 290. For Arun Ice Cream, the day-wise total is 265. For Mother Dairy, the day-wise total is 295. For a subdivided bar diagram, the horizontal line X represents three different companies. Y represents day-wise sales. Here the day-wise total for the companies are 290, 265 and 295. So you have to take the values up to 300. The first company is Ibaco. The second company is Arun Ice Cream. Third company is Mother Dairy. Remember that you have to give equal length for the companies. The total for Ibaco company is 290. So you have to draw a vertical bar diagram for 290. Draw a vertical bar for the total sales. The total day-wise sales for Ibaco is 290. So you mention 290 here. The next company is Arun Ice Cream. The day-wise total is 265. So you have to mark 265. In between 264 and 266 you can mark. Draw a vertical bar for Arun Ice Cream. The total week-wise sale for Arun Ice Cream is 265. The day-wise total sales for Mother Dairy is 295. So 295 is some point here. Draw a vertical bar for the day-wise total sales for Mother Dairy. The total is 295. So for subdivided bar diagram, you have to draw a vertical bar diagram for the total. In that you have to do the split up. The day-wise total for Ibaco is 290, for Arun Ice Cream 265 and for Mother Dairy 295. The Sunday sales for Ibaco is 70, so you mark 70 here. For Ibaco, Monday sales is 30, so after 70 you mark 30, so that is 100. And for Tuesday the sales is 40, so after 100 you can mark 40, so you can mark it 140. Wednesday the sales is 25, so after 140 you can mark 25, that is at 165 you can mark. This is 25 for Wednesday. Thursday sales is 35. At 200 you can mark 165 plus 35 is 200. Friday the sales is 40. So after 200 you mark 40, that is 240. And the remaining portion 50 is for Saturday's sale. Similarly, we can divide the day-wise sales for other two companies. The Sunday sales for Arun Ice Cream is 50. 50 is some point here. For Monday 40. 50 plus 40 is 90. So you mark at 90. And for Tuesday the sales is 30. So after 90 you mark 30. 90 plus 30 is 120. So you mark at 120. Then for Wednesday the sales is 25. So after 120 you mark 25. That is at 145 you can mark. So 140 is some point here. Then 142, 144 and 145. In between 144 and 146 you can mark. Thursday sales is 35. After 145 you mark 35. That is 180. So you mark it 180. For Friday the sales is 45. So after 180 you mark 45. That is at 225 you have to mark. So in between 224 and 226 you mark. That is 225. 45 is the sales for Friday and the remaining is 40 for Saturday. Next we have to divide the day-wise sales for Mother Dairy. Mother Dairy Sunday sales is 60. 60 is some point here. And for Monday the sales is 40. So after 60 you mark 40. That is at 100 you mark. And for Tuesday the sales is 35. So after 100 you mark 35. That is at 135 you mark. Sales for Wednesday is 40. So after 135 you mark 40. That is 175. 175 is some point here. Sales for Thursday is 25. So after 175 you mark 25. That is at 200 you mark. 25 is the sales for Thursday. The sales for Friday is 45. So after 200 you mark 45. That is 240, 42, 44. In between 44 and 46 you can mark. The sales for Friday is 45. The remaining is 50 is for Saturday. In this way you have to divide the total bar into segments. To distinguish the sales you have to give some different shade or color. After shading you have to give the footnote for the markings. Sunday, Monday, this is for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In this way you have to draw a subdivided bar diagram. From the diagram we can easily compare. The sales for Ibaco and Sunday is higher compared to other two companies. The sales for Wednesday is equal for Ibaco and Arun Ice Cream. The Wednesday sales is same for Ibaco and Arun Ice Cream. Similarly, Friday sales is same for Arun Ice Cream and Mother Dairy. In this way we can compare the data. Let me repeat. First you have to draw vertical bar for the total and then you have to divide into segments based on the given data. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.